I brought the E88 MAX Drone Camera for American friends. This video is for American friends. All of you subscribe to our channel. We will now unbox. Upon unboxing, you will get a black bag. As soon as I open the bag, I will first get 2 batteries. Then we will get a beautiful remote control. Then we can see many accessories here. There is a charging cable. Then there is a screwdriver. 4 extra fans have been given. 4 ESCs. Then we can see some manual books, by looking at which you can learn how to fly a drone. Moreover, if American friends subscribe to our channel, we will teach you how to fly a drone. Then you can see the drone camera. A very beautiful drone. We opened the foldable. 1 camera in front of the drone and 1 camera below. There are 2 cameras in total. Now, we'll put 3 batteries in the back of the remote. .5 volts. After we put the battery in the back, we turned on the remote. There is a beautiful mount for keeping the mobile. We turned on the drone camera. Now, we are connecting the drone camera with the remote. After connecting, you can see the drone's wings spinning. We will fly this drone camera outside later. And show the video quality. For that, all USA friends, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching our video. And definitely subscribe.